Hello everyone, I'm Emily from GemTrue DK. Today I will share a jewelry making toolkit with you. This toolkit including different styles jewelry pliers, round loose pliers, 3-step looping pliers, chain nose pliers, flat nose pliers, bend chain nose pliers. There are 9 different style jewelry pliers. You can choose it to make your jewelry. And also there is an acrylic stand. You can put the jewelry pliers like this. It's a professional jewelry making tool. At the same time, you can print your logo on the jewelry pliers body. If you like it and want to order, please leave your message. Thank you for watching.